In this video, we're going to review the steps to cleaning a restroom. Keep in mind this is just a demonstration, so actual cleaning time will be longer and each building is unique. So be sure to reach out to your supervisor about your site-specific needs. You'll hear us talk about your PPE or personal protective equipment, which makes sure you're fully protected throughout the cleaning process. Be sure to note what protective equipment is required for each step. Finally, before we get started, make sure your cart is fully stocked with the right materials. 1. Put on disposable gloves and announce yourself before entering the restroom. 2. Spray disinfectant on sinks, urinals and toilets and stock materials as needed. 3. Dust the vent covers, horizontal ledges and baseboards with microfiber cloths and spot clean areas like trash cans and door handles. 4. Sweep the floor and pick up the debris with a dustpan. 5. Clean the sinks with cream cleanser and a sponge, then polish the faucet and wipe down the counter with a blue cloth. 6. Clean the mirrors with multi-purpose cleaner and a paper towel. 7. Clean the urinals and toilets with cream cleanser and a green scratch pad, then wipe down the outside with a red cloth. Disinfect your janitor gloves after each fixture. 8. Remove the trash and replace the liners. Inspect the area for any spots or smudges. 9. Mop the floor with a green mop head and place a caution wet floor sign in the doorway. 10. Remove your gloves and safety glasses and wash your hands thoroughly. Wait until the floor is dry before removing the sign and reopening the restroom. Thanks for watching. Housekeeping Monitor.